kind of an image. Just have a look at this. So you have two gentlemen bowing. Crazy times we live in. Crazy times. So I guess you just probably woke up to continue with Aion, the best game ever, because of course you're gonna quit Where Winds Meet. Why would you even continue with that? Of course. But you sadly can't continue with Where Winds with like Aion right now, because Aion is going in emergency maintenance in 30 minutes. We are getting a lot of changes, including the fact, and this is something you should be telling your community, and that what they're doing is, yeah, you can sleep more for another 2 hours. It's probably gonna last for another 2 hours. But what is important is the fact that after the server are coming live, all of the servers are gonna be reopened and characters can be created. So if you have people waiting to join the server you're playing on, this is the time to tell them to be ready in 2 hours roughly. Also, they're removing a bit more pay to win from the game. So that's kind of, all together. And they're saying sorry for all the bullshit that happened all day long. Yeah, what they said is about the logging. They said they are fixing most, if not all, of the logging issues. I don't know if that explicitly will fix your stuff, but it will fix most of the stuff. They're removing, for example, they're removing those boxes over here in the shop. So they're removing this box. This box. Change log of the maintenance. Wait, let me see what you're sending me. Oh, did they already send a text in? Oh, nice. Okay, let me have a look what they said. Oh, nice. That's good to see. Is that from right now? Is that it's literally from right now. Like, wait, is that right now? 19? Yes, it is literally right now. Let's have a look what they're saying. So, sorry. We would like to inform you of updates through temporary inspection on November. So what what this means is basically, of course, the maintenance. We apologize again for any inconvenience caused in using the game due to temporary maintenance. Please refer to the information below for more details. Class balance adjustments. Okay. Fierce blow. The blow of despite blow. Continuous hit. A blow of punishment. Skill damage increase 777. Okay, so just increased damage. Healing. So this is the Templar changes that we're getting, and this is the cleric changes we're getting. So Hera, this is for you. Some skills will change. Earth reputation, electro discharge, lightning of judgment, heavenly punishment. They're all getting damage boosted. So that's good. Boss monster balance adjustment. Some skill damage has been downgraded for Tarantashina, Gauss, Irnos, and Sicilians. Welcome boss monsters. So what that will do, they will reduce the HP on 50%. By the way, quest balance adjustments. The high or reward amount for local quests has been doubled. So it means that so what they're saying, this one, because this is really bad. That is why I don't really like AI. So what they're saying is Kina. So the Kina reward of quest has been doubled. Monster hunt during, and then monster drop also more Kina now. Adjustment of the price of, so store, Breeze store price for some consumables have been lowered 50%. So what they have done is, like, if you buy potions and scrolls from NPCs, that is now 50% lower. The price is 50% lower. The price of some consumables sold by general merchant store NPC have been lowered 50%. So also in the general merchant, the price is now lower. Added mobile support. So this is the only thing that is a little bit, I don't want to say worrisome, but it doesn't it shouldn't concern us. It just shouldn't concern us. A new mobile support function that can only be used in mobile environment has been applied. This feature supports maintaining the main target and automatically using the skill while attacking. Okay. For some products, end of sale. So in Kuna shop, charging the sale of Justice Kuna supply box, Sequel's Kuna supply box, Jessing's Kuna supply box, and Trinal's Kuna supply box will end. That is this one. This one here. Justil's Kuna, Sequel's Kuna, and Trinal's Kuna. And the last one is this shit. This one. This bullshit over here. They're removing it. Why? Because, for example, if I open this one, this gives you 5 hours more of Abyss. So if you want to buy it right now straight away, you should do it. Soul Codex. This is like for enchantment, quite heavy. And then obviously the Kuna and the other item, which is not that, like, that is not that crazy, but it is what it is. That's like 300,000 Kina basically. 300,000 Kina that you buy. And then this one is getting removed with 5 resurrection stones. And then this one is getting removed with the 100 enhancement scroll bundles. So you are getting those scrolls for free. You're getting that. They also said that they're gonna give one skin out for free. I just, like, not for free, for 1 Kina. I just didn't really understand that part, so we'll have to wait when that happens. Okay. Yeah. So this is that. Let me go back on the dock. There you go. Yeah, so a new mobile support function that can only be used in mobile environment has been applied. The feature supports maintaining the main target and automatically using the skill while attacking. So it's like a semi-skill assistant that is only on the phone available, that, you know, the people from on the phone are getting. And then this one I already said. And then new exterior products, leather crop set up, exterior set available. Oh, this is the one. Leather crop set up exterior set available in Kina for 1 Kina. Product added. So this is like a skin that people are gonna be getting, that people can buy for 1 Kina. Okay. As soon as that happens, I'm gonna give this information obviously where to get that. You can purchase it from the shop, event, menu, and the closet store custom menu. So this is where it's gonna be. Event, and then this is the closet basically. So in here we will have 1 item, 1 skin. I don't know which one it is. Wait, what are the names of these ones? Luna Tech. Is it maybe already here? No, sadly it's not. Skin set. It's the leather one. I don't know which one is the leather one. Just checking, maybe I find it. There was one more. There was one more skin location, right? Because it could be, let me see. This one. Closet, right? And then here. Oh, there, closet shop. Which one is this? This is the nonsense maid. Snow shear. Dreamy day. Street. Whatever. Skin. Ascension. Luna. Genshin. So it might be even in this one. In this location. But it is gonna be, again, regardless, it's gonna be 1 Kina, which obviously right now it's not the case, not here. So either in this one or in this one. But from the what I was reading, it seems like it's in this one. So here basically, click on store and then it should be there. Okay, so let's continue. Other monitorizations. All filter hunting ground have a respawn cycle change function based on user ratio. So what that means is like while I'm here, Like, there's another guy, right? Now imagine there's like 10, 15, 20 people. The amount of mobs will drop, like spawn faster if there are more people at the same location. And if that is like, and that system they have implemented, but that system apparently is not fully working correctly after level 20. So it just works till level 20. Okay. Fix the phenomenon where the portal of construction did not come out in a 4-hour circle starting at 10. So that is going to be fixed. Customization release condition have been changed to character level 2, existing level 10. Okay, that's cool. Appearance change right usage level has been changed to 2, existing level 10. Cool. The skill mastery reset cost has been changed to 0. That is huge. That is so huge. What that means is literally if you come to skills here and you have been giving like the points basically, you know, like these points over here, like imagine I want to reset one skill, I'll click on it, it will cost me 90,000, but if I want to reset all of it, then it would cost me right now 600,000, and they're changing that to 0 so you can reskill everything again, and you can kind of fuck around with it and play around with it to something that you that matters to you better or something, you know. I wish and I hope that they do the same thing over here. I really wish they do the same thing over here. Literally, I hope that they would do the same thing over here, because then you have more options to kind of play around. I mean, I think it's okay if they're like in the 2 weeks, 3 weeks or something, put like the Kina function, whatever, back in it. But for now, I think it would be great if they would like remove it, just so people can have a better testing time or whatever, right? Now, the initialization cost per Devanyan board node has been changed to 500. Oh, I literally just spoke about it. So this one cost removing 3000 kuna, and they're changing it to 500 kuna. So they're not resetting it, sadly. They're not giving it for free, sad. But like 500 sounds better than 3000, obviously, right? So that is definitely a good thing. For a certain period of time, the limit on the number of explorations, Frau Cave, Urgung Gork, Temple of Fire, and Dropnir Cave rewards will be lifted, and the limit number will be reserved at a later date. That means that running all that shit is going to be really beneficial, because there are no limitations on it. So if you have not leveled up to the to be able to run all that shit, you should be focusing on that. Fix an issue where creation restriction server access was not possible if pre-registration of character names was not performed after preemption. We will strive for better service. Thank you. So this is like the logging thing they talked about. This is like the logging thing they talked about. So we'll see. We'll see what exactly happens when it comes. But yeah, again, it is starting literally in 10 minutes. The maintenance should be starting in 10 minutes. So I guess it's a good time to rest, and then get back in like 2 hours. Maximum 3 hours, but like they said 1 to 2 hours, but yeah, 3 hours I would like, I mean, come on, they're doing all those changes right randomly, so I'm assuming maybe. Okay, someone in LFG said Murkina for quest Drew. Yes. You are not tired? Me? No. When is the update? It's starting in 10 minutes, and then probably 1 to 2 hours it's gonna go. Hopefully the security verification I want to play. I hope so, bro. I wish it for you that goes through, and then you can play again. What the fuck? More boost. I'm already OP. Guess I'll stop questing and wait for the double rewards. Yeah, that makes sense, to be honest. How tired? Who? I don't know. I'm not tired. It's only region quests from how I understand. So main story queue is fine too. Well, main story you can, yeah, main story will not be included, I'm assuming. But all the other quests. So what should give you, right, like, and also dungeons will also give you more. So region quest should give you, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, and then the side quests, all those side quests and stuff that you have, that you also be getting more. And then you have the explorations, you know, that is gonna be really beneficial afterwards, and so on. Okay. Where was I? Guys, why I can't creation character? Guys, why I can't creation character? First of all, guys, you can ask in your native language. You do not need to translate in English if you try to speak to me, depending on what language it is, except Russian. Not because I have a problem with Russian. It's just a really complicated language that Yevi can help. He's Russian. But yeah, so for your question, hopefully in 2 hours, MBD 95. Hopefully you can create your character in roughly 2 hours, okay? Okay, if you go to your account settings and go to OTP verification, I get at least the code and the game registered phone number, but same problem with temporarily issue error. Yes. Nice. Cleric buffs. 2 hours. It's on website. It is. There won't be server transfers, right? I'm in Tahara since Bakarma was full. Also, are there codes for redeem? I need German time. What is it? So literally in 2 Stunden. Das ist, was du wissen willst. In 2 Stunden. 2 hours. So for the server switch, all the servers, every one of them are going to be open. Now you are free to stay on Tahara, but you are also welcome to either come to Kromede or Bakarma, depending on how much progress you would lose. But then you would be in a more English environment server. If that is something you value, you should definitely consider moving. 10:30? Yes. Ich kann das alles nicht mehr. Belo, warum nur Levels 21? Yevi, sag Shogus. You mean why I am level 21 only? Well, because I have been helping so most of the time today with like questions and so many things. So there's not much time. Like I'm kind of just casually doing my thing. You know, and I also been crafting a lot. Like look what I crafted. Let me show you what I made. Let me show you. Let me flex a little. Look what I did. Where's my... There you go. Look at that beauty, mate. Look at that beauty. Just look at that beauty. So I made it +9 because I didn't have stones anymore. I put crit and evasion on it. And now the best part. It is crafted by me, as you can see my name on it here at the bottom. And now let me give you even something better than that. It has 5% PvE damage boost. Guys. 5% PvE damage boost. You know? Oh, I did all the regional quests. If you do all the regional quests, there are like this over here, this color. Each of them gives you like accessories and stuff. Well, crafting is so much fun, man. I've been having the time of my life. Okay, yeah. So it's been fun, man. It's been fun. Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you. Let me actually... Bro, this is what I have been saying earlier. Like, there are things that I really, really hate, by the way, right? So, this is one of them. I can't just move the item from here to here into the storage. I have to put it down here, then I have to click on max, and then it goes into my storage. Like, are you kidding me? By the way, I can even move my Kina into the storage. So I can do this, and then do this, and then my Kina is in my storage. And now, look at this. Look at that. I don't have any Kina anymore here. That's how I can move Kina around from character to character. That's so cool, man. Handy game. Yeah, that's bullshit. Masterpiece. Iron 1 is a masterpiece because of this reason alone. Yeah, true. That I agree on, that this feature in Aion 1 was much better. Have you guys already started selling Kina in the broker? Do you guys even know how to do that? Do you guys know how to sell your Kina in the broker? So this is the broker. You need to click at the top to exchange, and this is the Kina that you can sell. But obviously you need to have the Kina to sell it, obviously. So you can sell 400k, 2 million, and 10 million. And the way that works is, first of all, you have to go to Substance Morph. You have to click on this option, Special. Down here, you see the boxes for Kina, 400, 2, 10. Now, there's text on it. So, for the 400, you pay 40k. 2 million, you pay 200k. And for 10 million, you pay 1 million, thingy. Kuna thingy. Not Kuna, sorry. Kina. And then you can go ahead and you can put the box in the market, like here, and then you can put it in for Kuna, and others can buy it or would buy it technically. Bruh.